Hi, welcome to Melon. Playing news today, 70 people will be going on ship in 2014.
Hours later.
Hey, wait up! Um. I can make that jump. My back.
They are launching.
Help me!
Am going to. Captain. Captain. Wait, I can escape. Yeah. Please help me. I can't, sorry. Well, at least just please turn on the alarm.
K.
It's time to...
Oh no.
E-E-R.
Help us.
No, don't break them.
I'm the last one alive.
Sadly, everyone on the ship moved, but they are in a better place now the ship blew up. When the water was -2°C, which is the exact same temperature as the Titanic. When it sink, have a great rest of your day. Moving on to the next one.
I've been away too long, but I'm home again long after I had done what I'd done. What's become of them? I thought their souls were gone. Something's wrong, so I need to put an end to everyone.
5 nights, 5 innocent lives I took before their time. It's alright, I'll be fine, even though they died. Part of them survived, I'll make them unalive. It's alright, I'll be fine, safe inside. We are but machines, but we breathe life into our growing home full of new friends. Not the end, only blood that's flowing here is in our Father. He's the author of our wonderland. He made us into what we become. 2, 3, 5 lives, thought that they were mine. I can't believe my eyes. It's alright, I'll be fine. Running out of time. I think that I can find a place where I can hide. It's alright, I'll be fine. Safe inside. He's here, I recognize him anywhere. That purplish figure was bigger and quicker than me. And then I thought I was dreaming. He looked like a demon, and I remember bleeding and screaming and thinking nobody could hear me. Oh, what he did to me, he's gonna die. The others agree, he needs to die. He'll never be free until he dies. 5 lives gone before their time. Now they're sustaining mine. It's alright, I'll be fine. Not sure I survived. I don't think that I died. I only have one life. It's alright, I'll be fine. Stuck inside. La 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 la. It's alright, I'll be fine. La 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 yeah yeah yeah. It's alright, I'll be fine. Stuck inside. Stuck in my own trap, bones are cracked as my lungs collapse. Remember that I always come